Physics Practical Paper 2023 Group 8. Section No. 1. Question number 1. Find the speed of sound using first resonance position and end correction. Question number 2. Determine the refractive index of prism by a spectrometer or laser. Question number 3. Verify law of tension by sonometer. Section number 2. Question number 4. Determine the resistance of a voltmeter by graphical method. Question number 5. Trace a magnetic field due to current in a circular coil. Question number 6. Set up a burglar alarm using NAND gate. Section number 3. Question number 7. Draw a graph from the data provided below. Take P along the x-axis. Which law is verified by this graph? Question number 8. Plot a graph of the following recorded data between C and I, taking C along x-axis. Describe the conclusion obtained by you from this graph.